Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Renaming files in Python with substrings is a common task in various automation and data processing scenarios. This tutorial will guide you through the best practices for renaming files based on substrings using Python. We'll cover the following topics. Let's get started. Before renaming files, you need to identify the files you want to rename. Python provides several libraries for working with the file system. The os and glob modules are commonly used for this purpose. Replace /path/to/your/directory with the path to the directory containing your files and .text with the file extension you are interested in. To rename files based on a substring, you can use Python's os.rename method. You'll need to extract the relevant substring from the original file name and then construct the new file name accordingly. Here's an example of renaming files with a specific substring. This code will search for files with the substring _to_ match in the file name and replace it with substring _to_ replace. Be cautious when renaming files to avoid overwriting existing files. While renaming files, you might encounter various errors, such as file not found or permission denied. To handle these errors, you can use try except blocks. Here's how to handle errors while renaming files. This code will catch any exceptions that occur during the renaming process and print an error message. Here are some best practices for renaming files with substrings in Python. Backup files. Before renaming files, consider creating backups, especially if you're working with important data. Error handling. Always include error handling to prevent your script from crashing if unexpected issues arise. Regular expressions. For more complex substring matching, you can use Python's remodule and regular expressions. Testing. Test your renaming script on a small set of files to ensure it works as expected. Documentation. Document your code and include comments to make it clear to others and your future self. Version control. If you're working on a significant renaming project, consider using version control to track changes. Remember to be cautious when renaming files, especially in bulk, as mistakes can be difficult to undo. Always make sure you have a backup and double-check your code before running it on valuable data. That's it. You now have the knowledge to rename files with substrings in Python following best practices. Happy coding! ChatGPT